Yeah, no, you gotta feed Vishy first. Hi, babies. Hi, babies. Come here, you babies. Hi. What are you doing? What are you doing? Hi, babies.
There's Latifah.
Oh, Latifah got up?
Yeah, I woke her up.
Here, pick up Latifah. There, we can send this video to Lida.
Okay. This is Latifah. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
'Cause there's a voice. What are you doing? What? You are a lazy girl. Yes, you are.
So, Shadow, move away from the light a little bit. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Okay, now where's Lulu?
Okay, Lulu. Here she is. She's got pink collar on.
There she is.
Oh, she's a pretty girl.
Look at all these puppies.
She's got poop on her head or something. There's Lulu.
Hi, Lulu. Hi,
What are you
baby. Hi, baby. That's a kissy.
What are you doing?
That's a kissy.
What? What?
Hey, guys. Hey, guys. Come on over.
Okay,
Come on over.
I'll feed her. I'll feed Mama. What does she get again?
1.5 cups of food.
And that's it?
Yeah, and some hot water. You might want to throw in some wet food as well. What are you doing? You're sitting down, you silly. You silly. You're silly. You guys tired already? Hi, baby. Hi, babies. Hi, babies. Hi. All right.
Alright. There's your water, Mom. Look. Oh.
Hi. What you doing? What you doing? What you doing? Is that Latifah biting me?
Eat anything ever. Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh, I think there's another petal. I'll get it.
What? This one's
Whoops.
trying to eat the food.
Gosh.